What's up guys, Sam with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And today I'm going to be talking about 5 mistakes that are very common when it comes to Facebook ads. So I'm not sure if you are new to Facebook ads, you've tested them already, or you haven't even tried them at all. So either way, I'm going to be explaining the 5 things that I've seen that are very common mistakes within Facebook ad marketing. You know, it's something that takes a while to figure out and start learning and being able to be profitable off of. But once you actually study it, you figure it all out, then you know that's a very strong skill set that you have and you're able to use on anything. And when you can put money into something and make a big return on it, then that's a very good asset to have as yourself and as a business, because you're able to make a return off of a small amount of money. Well, it doesn't have to be small, but you know, any size of money, if you're able to make a return on it, then you are profitable, and that is good because you can just reinvest money and start making more and more every time. And also guys, so you know, I just made the 2 Facebook ad videos with my boy PB, but those were pretty basic videos, and we're going to be filming some way more advanced videos for my dropshipping course. So the course is not public right now. I may be doing a relaunch. I'm not sure exactly when. I know a lot of people have been asking for it, but I really want to add a lot of content to it before I relaunch it again. So if you're in there already, be on the lookout for that. I'm excited to add that stuff. A lot of special content coming with email campaigns and Facebook ads. So the first one, impatience. I know this may sound sort of cliche, whatever, but really, with any type of marketing, you know, people are usually, you know, not happy until they see results with the ad. So whether you're doing influencer marketing or Facebook ads, you know, you pay for an ad, it's up there, and you're not making money, then, you know, you feel like you're not doing something right. You feel like, you know, you're missing out on something, you're trying to figure out what's going on. But with influencer marketing, you know, there may be some things you may be able to change, some variables, but maybe it's the influencer, you know, you never know. But with Facebook ad marketing, there's a lot of variables that go into, you know, creating the ad, finding the audience, and everything like that. So with Facebook ads, it takes time to populate these audiences and start targeting the right people. And you have to figure that out by collecting data. So, you know, when you first run your ad, you may not be profitable at first. But here, think of it like this. So let's say you're selling this product for 50 bucks and it costs you 10 bucks on AliExpress. So then you have that $40 margin where you're able to actually, you know, spend on ads to acquire that customer. And of course, you don't want to spend $40 to acquire that customer for a $50 product, because, you know, then you're not making any money because the product also costs $10. You know, you have to think of it in a different way, because you have $40 to acquire this one sale. So then, you know, you have that money to spend on Facebook ads. So until it is spent that amount of money, then you are not profitable until it goes over $40 in ad spend and you haven't acquired a customer. So after that, then, you know, you're able to tell, you know, what you need to fix, maybe try some different audiences, you know, test different things. So that's the thing, guys. Be patient. Facebook ads takes a while to master, you know. Some people are good at it off the bat, some people are not. You know, you may get lucky, maybe not. But if you find an ad that's running well, you know, put all your money into it that you can. Keep reinvesting the profits so you're able to make as much possible before the product dies out or the ad dies out. The second thing I want to talk about is the targeting. A lot of people that start with Facebook ads are targeting an audience that is way too big. You know, they don't have any data, and then they're just solely relying on keywords. And you know, that could work well, it could not work well. It all depends on many variables. But the thing is, if you're targeting all these keywords and you have such a broad audience, like 50 million people, 100 million people, it doesn't matter, whatever the number is, then you know that's such a broad audience. And you know, it may sound good to you, but like, oh, these are all 100 million potential customers. But really, when it comes to targeting, then Facebook is gonna have trouble, you know, targeting those right people and putting that ad in front of people's faces that are actually maybe willing to buy something, because, you know, it's just such a broad area that it's going to be hard to focus in and target on these people. Because with Facebook ads, you know, you want to be as specific as possible with your targeting and be targeting these people, you know, that are very, very likely to actually buy something from your store. You know, that's what it's all about with Facebook ads. So, you know, narrow your audience down, have it to maybe 10 to 20 million. And, you know, that still sounds like a lot, but compared to 100 million, you know, that's a big breakthrough. It's a lot more condensed and a lot better for targeting. So really, if you're relying on keywords for your marketing, you know, narrow in on the audience and target an amount of people that actually, you know, seems attainable. Targeting is very important. Go watch my last video if you haven't already on the Facebook ads. You know, I'll show you creating the ad, the targeting, and stuff like that for keywords. So now, the third thing that I want to talk about is not collecting data. A lot of times, I will tell you guys, you know, if you're going to start Facebook ads, make sure you have data on your Facebook pixel from your e-commerce stores before you make the switch over from Instagram influencers to Facebook ads. You know, honestly, influencers are very good from the start, but for long-term, Facebook ads is definitely very reliable because you're able to target, you know, these very specific people that take these specific actions on your store. So that's what you need a Facebook pixel for, because it tracks all the data, you know, for people that add to the cart, people that buy something, people that just go on your website but don't click anything. You know, you're targeting these people that have been on your website, so they've shown some kind of interest. So before you start running Facebook ads, if I was you, I would wait till you collect some data on your Facebook pixel. I mean, you can rely on keywords if you want to. It may be profitable, but it's not going to be as profitable as if you collect data on your Facebook pixel and start utilizing that to get more sales. And the fourth thing that I want to talk about is that, you know, people are usually not split testing. That is a problem. You know, you may run one ad, the same picture, the same audience and stuff, but you have to split test that. You have to test different variables within the ad. You know, the picture, maybe some colors. I know my friend James, he actually had a Facebook ad, and he said he changed one color in it, and it completely changed how his ad was working and how much money he was making off of it. And it became a lot more profitable just by changing this one little thing in the picture of the ad. So, you know, there's a lot of variables that go into Facebook ads, and you have to test, you know, split test, see what works, what doesn't. Target different audiences with the same picture, different pictures with the same audience. You know, there's so many variables and things that you can change. You know, some things you may be able to notice through your Facebook pixel, seeing the actions that people are taking, so you can tell, you know, I need to change this in my picture because that is sending people away and not wanting to click on my website or anything like that. There's a lot of variables, so you need to split test and, you know, try different ways of driving traffic with different ads. You know, just one ad, it may not be profitable on Facebook, so you have to try it, you know, different ways. It may be profitable on Instagram, but it may be not profitable on Facebook. So there's a lot of things that you have to try, you know, see what works and what doesn't. That's sort of the thing with Facebook ads, trial and error. But once you figure out a certain method that works for you, then you will be very profitable. And the fifth thing that I want to talk about is sort of related to people that already have data on their Facebook pixel and they're making the mistake of not using lookalike audiences. So if you're not sure what a lookalike audience is, it's basically, let's say you have this certain audience from your Facebook pixel. So what Facebook can do is, you know, figure out the people on that pixel, certain demographics about their age, their gender, what they like to do, their interests and stuff like that. And then Facebook will find people in the region, you know, that have the similar interests, that have the similar demographics, and will create a lookalike audience. And so what you're able to do with that is target more of an audience than just that one audience that was on your account already. So with this, you're able to create lookalike audiences and then use that. So you're targeting these people that are highly likely to be potential customers because they look like those people that you already have had that have bought from your store. So what I would do, I go to my Facebook pixel, I see people that have bought stuff, I create a lookalike audience off of that. And then I target that lookalike audience because it is people that are similar to the ones that have already bought from me, and I'm able to target those people, and there's a high chance that they will actually buy something because they have such similar interests and demographics from the people that have already bought from my store. So those are the 5 things that I want to talk about. You know, Facebook ads are very, very important once you make that switch over from Instagram influencers to Facebook ads. They are very profitable if you know what you're doing. And I mean, it takes time to learn what you're doing. I mean, I'm still learning. I'm sure a lot of other people that make money off of it are still learning because there's so much money to be made on the internet. You know, that's never going to die out. And Facebook ads is really, really a great place and source to actually start making money online. And I mean, like I said, I wouldn't start with Facebook ads with keywords. You can if you want, you know, see if it works. It may be profitable, it may be not. But like I said, start with influencers, collect data on your pixel, then make the switch over to Facebook ads and start testing it, see what works and what doesn't. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.